Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Honor 7S smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone for your Honor 7S smartphone. First, you need to go to the settings and click on sound. And you have the option SIM1 ringtone and SIM2 ringtone. Just click on SIM1 ringtone and you will have several ringtones listed. These are all the system ringtones. Just select any one of the ringtone and click tick mark. Now the ringtone is activated for SIM1, and for SIM2 you have to follow the same procedure. Just select any one ringtone and click on tick mark to activate. Yes, it is activated. Here you can change your default notification sound. And you can customize other settings also. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.